Hello everyone, Dr. Joan Coleman here, owner, director of Let Me Be Me, a program which inspires confidence in people of all ages. Today I want to encourage somebody's heart and tell them that life is good. Despite what it looks like, despite what you're going through, despite how you feel, life is still good. Listen, take a breath as you listen to what I'm saying. You woke up this morning. You stood on firm ground. You are breathing. You can smile. You can see. If you can't see, you can feel. Listen, life is good. And I want to read this quote to you from Ward Foley. It says, "We are not given a good life or a bad life. We are given a life. It is up to us to make it good or bad. We have choices. We have a choice to get up and make it a good life, or we have choices to stay in whatever we're feeling and how it's going and make it a bad life. The choice is up to you. It's so many things to be grateful for in this life. If you wake up and you look outside, you have sunshine, maybe rain, you have trees, you have birds, you have fall breezes, you have beautiful leaves on the tree. Things aren't as bad as it seems. You are okay and life is good. Listen to me. Don't let your mind tell you something different. Feel it in your heart. If you can breathe, I'm telling you, life is good. There's a lot of people, and I say this often, there's a lot of people who can't do half the things you can do. There's a lot of people that's shut into a convalescent home or in the hospital sick and laying in bed and can't get up. In life, they're still happy. Their lives are still good. And some of those people who are fighting through all this hurt or all their diseases or illnesses, and they're still holding on, that life is good. So, my friend, you can hold on and you tell yourself that life is good. Listen, you're doing it. You're living. So why not live a good life? It doesn't mean you have to have money. It doesn't mean you have to have fancy cars. It doesn't mean that you have to have a great big house. Just look around you and be grateful and just know that life is good. Listen, you got this. You got this. You have to tell yourself these things. It's up to you to make it good or bad. You make the choice. This is Dr. Joan Coleman, owner, director of Let Me Be Me, a program which inspires confidence in people of all ages.